Before this laser chase gets out of paw, tap that like, leave a comment, and hit subscribe for more Whisker-fueled action. Now, the chaos begins. Whiskers was chilling on the floor when a glowing red dot appeared. His eyes locked in. He leapt over the couch, under the table, crashed into the pillows. One final leap. He soared through the air like a ninja. But right when he was about to win, the dot vanished. Click. His human turned it off. Whiskers, totally betrayed. Moral of the story, never trust the red dot.